my channel. If you are new, I am 𝕊𝕦𝕓𝕤 and I am the eclectic herbalist. So it is July. It is the month of July. It is my birthday month, but it is the first week of July, so as always we have an unboxing from Apothecary at home. This month's theme, this month's theme. This month's theme was mental health mastery. So it is, I believe, when they first started their first month or their first subscription theme was mental health. So this is kind of a reboot of that. I unfortunately was not with the company during that time, so I do not know what the differences are. But from what I've seen is that we get 3 little cute sketches. But I'm sure there's more differences. I don't know. I bought because you can buy the guides. I bought the guide from that month, and I guess I could go see what was different. Before we get into the unboxing, like always, I want to share with you guys the herbal actions that you will want to look for mental health, and let's begin. So the first herbal action you will want to check in with is a ℕ𝕤𝕚, and what a ℕ𝕤𝕚 is it is an herbal action or an herb that will generally help with your nervous system, and it is cut down into about 3 different categories. The first category is a ℕ𝕤𝕚 tonic, and what exactly do they do? And ℕ𝕤𝕚 tonics are best used for like antidepressants or just to kind of help uplift you for the time being. Another herbal ℕ𝕤𝕚 action that you will want to look for is a ℕ𝕤𝕚 relaxant, and that basically relaxes your nerves. So it would be like a stress reliever. A ℕ𝕤𝕚 relaxant is a natural tranquilizer for anxiety, so it will help for anxiety issues. Turn the page. The third category you'll want to look for the ℕ𝕤𝕚 kind of category is a ℕ𝕤𝕚 stimulant, and what that does is it kind of stimulates your nervous system as it sounds. So out of the ℕ𝕤𝕚 categories, the next herbal action you will want to look for is an adaptogen, and what an adaptogen is an herb that will help kind of improve the threshold for stressors, kind of adapt your system. How does this read? Adaptability to stress. It helps your adaptability to stress, basically. And then not the last one, the next herbal action you will want to look for is a hypnotic, and that is kind of exactly how it sounds. It is something that will put you into a deep, restful sleep, which is also good for just kind of relaxing. And the last one on the list would be a nootropic, and a nootropic improves your cognitive functions. So let me go ahead and get you guys into the unboxing, and I will see you in return. As mentioned, this month's theme is mental health mastery, and it does look like next month we will be doing herbal first aid. If you are new to my channel and not sure what Apothecary at Home is, it is just an herbalism based subscription box that you will get month to month. If you want to grab next month's box, I do have a discount link below if you want to go ahead and check that out. If you aren't sure about committing to the full subscription box, the company does offer little kits, herbs, and the guides separately, so you can also purchase those as well. Starting off, we did get our loose leaf tea from the Loose Leaf Tea Company for stress relief. It does have organic oat straw, skullcap, kava root, ginkgo, ashwagandha, and clove. Next up, we did get 2 4-ounce maceration jars, and these do come in every box. After that, we got our 2-ounce dropper bottles. These usually do come in every box, sometimes it changes. But after that, we did get 2 muslin cloths. Sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 1, but they will be in every box as well. And after that, we did get our labels to name and date everything. This month we did get a surprise gift, and it is a serotonin vinyl sticker. I do not know where I'm going to put this yet, to be quite honest, but it's cute. This month we were also surprised with 3 art prints from the owner's mother, Virgie. Usually we get 2, but this month we got 3. We got lavender. I'm no longer going to try and pronounce their botanical names, but chamomile, and then lemon balm. And their botanical names are right there, so you could go ahead and pronounce them, but they're gorgeous. Another thing that we got surprised with this month was an extra pack of seeds. Usually we get 1, so this month we got lemon balm and chamomile, so when we run out of the dry herb, we can grow our own. Speaking of dry herb, our first herb out of the box is 2 ounces of chamomile. Medicinally, chamomile is useful in conditions involving the central nervous system like insomnia, anxiety, and stress. Magically, chamomile can be used to attract money and combat cursed spells. The next herb up is 2 ounces of lemon balm. Medicinally, lemon balm can be used to help with depression, anxiety, and stress. Magically, lemon balm can be used in ritual baths to invoke the divine feminine and invite romance into one's life. Our last herb out of the bag was 1 ounce of lavender. Medicinally, lavender is used as a nervine sedative and can be used for headaches, anxiety, insomnia, and depression. Magically, lavender can be used for cleansing, love, healing, and dream spells. And finally, last thing out of the box is the health disclaimer. You will want to give this one good read if you have not already. Welcome back. So, hope you enjoyed that unboxing. With the projects for this month's, the project ideas for this month's box, I kind of already made a chamomile and lavender tincture. But you can do simple tinctures or glycerites and herbal infused oils. And then it comes with some bonus recipes. So, save the trees. Or get it on paper. It's really up to you. I don't own you. Oh, they got video resources. So now they have... So now, this came in like... It was like 2 different downloads. It's one normal package. But they do have now video resources for you to kind of follow along with some recipes. And oh! Get back there. All you have to do is scan with your phone's camera. How to grow chamomile, foraging for chamomile and tea making, how to grow and propagate lemon balm, and how to harvest and dry lavender. And then it looks like next month, as I said, we will be doing herbal first aid, which again is just kind of a reboot of what they did last year. So for those of you, if you watch this and have been with them for the entire year, you probably have a better idea of what the first, I think the first 5 I missed out on, what the first 5 are like or how they'll be different. But these will be my first time going through them. So yeah, that is pretty nifty that they now have that. I forgot what I said when I was blurry. Anyways, I'll just not repeat it. I'll just put that in there. That is all I have for today's video. If you are interested in getting your own subscription box, I do have a discount link down in the description below. You can go ahead and click on that. Leave a comment, leave a like, or subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me build, helps me grow, as I think I've said previously. But anyways, other than that, have a great, lovely day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!